Posible raw makita ang Northern Lights sa ilang bahagi ng bansa mula Western Canada hanggang Northern Quebec at Northern Ontario Huwebes, ayon sa U.S. National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration. Ang ilang Pilipino excited na rin sa posibilidad na ito. Narito ang report.
It's really mysterious na you just see them like very bright green light, sometimes purple, pink, nagiging blue pa siya, dancing across the sky.
Ganito inilarawan ng Pilipinong guro mula Nunavut, Ira Villanueva, ang Northern Lights.
If you don't see it at that moment, you can come back in like 20 minutes or an hour and you'll see across the sky the beautiful, mysterious light, which is the Aksarnit, is what they call it here in Nunavut. That's Inuktitut word for Northern Lights is Aksarnit.
Maganda raw lagi ang view ng Aurora Borealis ni Villanueva dahil nasa hilaga ng Canada ang syudad ng Iqaluit. Huwebes ng gabi, ayon sa mga forecast ng U.S. National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, maaaring makikita ang Northern Lights sa iba pang bahagi ng bansa, sa Western Canada hanggang Northern Quebec at Northern Ontario.
The KP, higher KP means na merong higher chance of seeing Northern Lights. Merong mga Facebook groups around different areas in Canada that specialize in really sharing yung high chance of seeing Northern Lights.
Nangyayari ang Northern Lights o Aurora Borealis tuwing pumapasok ang mga electron sa magnetic field ng mundo at tuwing nangyayari ito, maaaring makita ang neon colors sa langit na minsan, ayon kay Villanueva, mukhang gumagalaw o sumasayaw.
It's a whole experience that takes a long time. So not just like a 30 minutes thing, it's like a maybe 3 hours side quest. So enjoy the experience, and I hope more Filipinos are able to see Northern Lights because it's very special.
Mas malaki raw ang posibilidad na makita ang Northern Lights kapag hindi maulap ang panahon. At yan ang mga balita ngayon araw. Itong Omni News Filipino. Maraming salamat po.